Hey, what did you say? You said you want to do this more often?
Yeah,
Why?
because we're drugged.
No.
Yeah.
You just fell asleep. You didn't even notice it?
No, I did. Then I just woke up and was like, oh.
Hmm? I can't hear you. And they're legal, yes, they're legal. You still snowboarding?
Hmm?
You snowboarding again?
No.
No?
Yeah, I told you I was dreaming about snowboarding.
Mm-hmm. That's crazy cool.
Yeah. And you're filming me.
Just a little.
I'm filming.
So you can watch in the morning and know what it was like.
Do you get the part where they're putting my arm back together?
Yeah, but I didn't video it.
Oh.
I also missed the part where you told them they really knew their shit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Guys are really shit.
See your eyes.
What?
They're all glossy, like you're on drugs.
I'm on.
Mm-hmm.
It's just like, they'll be like, yeah, all we do is inject you with salt water. I'll be like, well, salt water works a lot.
And they're teasing his hockey stuff still. And one broken wrist all repaired. Oh, full of plaster.
No, it's all good. It's all...
Yep, it's all done and good.
And you didn't videotape that?
I was busy trying not to gag as they stretched your arm out and pulled it all back into place.
Oh, yeah. I felt that. I was like, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool. You should have filmed it.
Well, okay, I was a little busy. Okay, so I'm a bad mother. I didn't film it. Sorry.
I wasn't totally awesome because I remember. Weren't you guys telling me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they were pulling their...
You're like, oh, are you sitting it yet? They're like, no, Braden, I'm not sitting it.
I'm
They're
like,
reefing on it.
yeah, you are.
Then you went, oh, I see that. You felt a little something, something. Mm-hmm. You're not going to tell me where your liquor's hidden?
Huh?
You're going to tell me where your booze is hidden?
No, I was trying. He was trying to get me into that, telling you.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
I know you have some in your room now.
yeah, sure.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Where's your hiding place, Braden?
No, hiding place.
You couldn't find a hiding place. I wouldn't find anyone. Where's your hiding place, Braden?
I'm not telling you.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
No.
Mark wishes he could be here.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Now, what they gotta do?
They're just filling out some papers and we gotta go home.
Well, they did the second x-rays.
Second x-rays are done. High five. High five with your bloody hand.
Holy. That knuckle's really red.
That knuckle's red. Must have been where you punched that guy.
In that vein, right in there.
Don't move your hand. No, he wasn't. Okay, say bye-bye, Braden.
Why?
Say bye-bye.
No.
To the camera. Bye-bye.
No.